Are you ready for a quick challenge? Do you know where the biggest money in the crypto market is sitting right now? If not, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to spot it using the total 2, and total 3 charts. When you open the total chart, you see the entire crypto market capitalization. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and even stablecoins. Total 2 excludes Bitcoin, allowing you to focus on how altcoins are performing without Bitcoin influencing the results. And Total 3 takes away both Bitcoin and Ethereum. It shows how altcoins are doing. This zone often marks the most aggressive phase of the market. To keep it simple, just look at the template on your screen. It will help you understand how money flows through the market. Bitcoin pumps first, then profits flow into Ethereum, and later on into altcoins. Here is another challenge for you. Open all 3 charts side by side and see where the money is starting to rotate right now. You will instantly notice which part of the market will wake up next. During the last big move up, altcoins had already surged before I noticed. While I was focused on Bitcoin, top altcoins were outperforming Bitcoin. A few days later, I realized that ignoring altcoins can mean missing out on real opportunities. Remember, smart money is always on the move. It rotates through the market. Keep an eye on these totals, and you will stay one step ahead of the crowd. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 tutorials like this every week. Follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading. And remember, in crypto, timing is everything.